Hello, students. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, models, and we will focus on models used for offering and requests. So, these models are can, could, shall, should, may, might, would. Now, when we are in a coffee shop, restaurant, or any place where we receive a service, or if we are offering someone something in our home, we use models like would, can, may, shall, should. So the examples are: would you like something to drink? Or a general question can be, what would you like? So would is the polite form of want. Next example, can or may. So it is very polite, and may is a possible alternative for can but is very formal. Example, what can I get you? Or we can use shall or should for an offer. Shall I open the door for you? Or should I help you find a good doctor? Then the models used for request are would, could, can, might. Now, if we ask a general question like we saw in offering, what would you like? So, the best and the most polite form is, could I have the soup, please? So, it could also be possible to use can, although this is less polite. Then we can use would. I would like a glass of lemonade. Now, there are three different common ways for making request. First, could you open the door for me, please? Second, would you mind opening the door for me, please? Third, can you open the door for me, please? And fourth, might is used to be very formally and politely to ask for permission, and it is used as the past form of may when asking permission in reported speech. Example, might I have something to drink? Refers to the near future. Similarly, for probability or likelihood, we use words like will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might. We use may, might, could to say that something is possible but not certain. For example, first one, they may come by car. Second example, they might be at home. Third example, if we don't hurry, we could be late. And fourth example, it would appear that I was wrong. So we use can to make general statements about what is possible. Now we have the example here. You can easily get lost in this town. And the second example is, he should be here by 2 o'clock. So the second sentence expresses something that is probable. To indicate likelihood means they indicate speaker's personal opinion or likelihood of what they are saying. For example, I shall be there on time. Don't worry. Another example is, your English will improve with practice. We have no doubt. So here we use will to express probability or how likely something is to happen.